The Balenciaga Hamptons Worn-Out sneakers have release dates in July 2025. Today is June 19th, and I actually got these pair 5 days ago. Today, I'm so excited, and we are unboxing these beautiful shoes. I'm gonna show you the appearance, talk about the sizing, its design, color, and materials, as well as my initial impressions and fit. You can pre-order now at Balenciaga.com and check out the different colorways available for men and women. So I just showed you the extra pair of solid black shoelaces, and this was the dust bag for the shoes. And yep, you'll also score a bonus pair of solid black laces, perfect when you're feeling a little more classic and low-key. Which I won't recommend because personally speaking, I bought these pair because of the graffiti or the scribbled laces. They are so cool. Okay, I'm so excited. Now we're unwrapping the shoes. The pair I got was color black. Its material is cowskin and also polyester. Straight out of the box, you're rocking the scribbled laces, specially designed for this model and totally one of a kind. You can see raw edge and visible stitching on the upper. The 3B Sports icon artwork is in rubber on each side. The Balenciaga logo debossed on the upper, and the Balenciaga logo embossed on the outsole. You can also see the Loop Sports icon logo on the tongue and at back heel, the written size debossed on the upper and at back of the heel. If you're a Balenciaga fan or just love picking up their shoes, you've probably noticed that this is that leather finish kind of a signature look for the brand, and it's actually one of the reasons I went for this colorway. As you can see, this black isn't the usual typical black. Of course, it's still best to see in person, so what I'm saying here makes more sense. It's got this cool bluish tint that pops, especially when you're outside on a sunny day. Actually, you'll catch it even indoors with bright lighting. Now the sizing, I was actually surprised that they run a little big, considering that these aren't those of chunky shoes. For reference, I'm usually a US 10 in regular shoes and 43 in Balenciaga runners and tracks. But take note that these are actually a little wide. I could totally wear these all day. They're super comfy and way lighter than the usual Balenciaga shoes I have. But hey, I'd still recommend popping into a store to try them on so you can feel out the fit that's perfect for you. I tried the size 43, and it actually fits pretty well. I mean, when I'm wearing the shoes with loose pants, especially with baggy ones, which are totally in trend this year. But I figured a 42, which is one size down from what I usually wear, would be a better fit for me for different styles like jeans or shorts. Now, I'm gonna give you a closer look at the stunning details of these beautiful shoes. Just a heads up, they might not be available yet or on display at your local Balenciaga store. They're set to drop in July this year. So I'd recommend keeping an eye on their website and see if these are showing as available already, especially your size, and not on pre-order anymore. I hope I've been helpful to you in this video to have a closer look at these Balenciaga Hamptons. If I did, and to help my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll do my best to vlog more exciting products. Needless to say, those that are just getting or being launched. Thank you so much.